Hi, I'm Hassan, a 3D generalist with over a decade of experience in delivering professional 3D services. I have extensive knowledge and experience in creating 3D models using industry-standard software such as Blender and Unreal Engine. I'm skilled at applying textures and shading to your 3D models to make them appear lifelike and realistic. For all your animation projects, I'm skilled to create fluid and seamless 3D animations that convey movement and emotion. I'm professional in lighting and camera angles to create a cinematic and engaging final product. I'm by nature a traditional artist, and my artistry skills allowed me to apply artistic principles to my 3D artwork. In my line of business, creativity and innovation is constant, and I consistently provide and suggest new techniques for pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Last but not least, I communicate flawlessly, and you will always find me easy to communicate your ideas and vision. So what do you think? Let's create?